If a contract does not clearly state whether a party is an individual or a registered business entity, the enforcement of that contract can become quite complicated. You may think you're dealing with a company only to discover later that the agreement was signed in a personal capacity. It may sound like a small drafting mistake, but it can have serious legal consequences. Imagine trying to enforce a contract against a company only to realize that the company was never actually a party to that particular contract. Or maybe you even obtained a judgment, but the person who signed insists that they signed on behalf of a business that was never properly identified. This is why every well-detailed contract should clearly identify the parties from the very beginning. If you're dealing with a company, the contract should state its registered name, the registration number, that is the RC number of that company, and the registered address of the company. If it is an individual, the contract must state their full names and their addresses must also be clearly stated. A contract is only as strong as the parties bound by it. Getting the identity of contracting parties right is not just a formality. It is actually one of the foundations of an enforceable contract. So before you sign any contracts, make sure you understand the identity of who you're contracting with.